is the Preferred Club Ocean View Room. And I guess we'll start with the best part, the view, right? So you walk outside, you have a beautiful balcony with a huge soaking tub. Overlooks all of the gorgeous pools. And look at that view. All right, so you have a nice sofa out here. Again, you have the very large tub. Going inside, a little sitting area, perfect for room service. I love having breakfast in my pajamas. All right, coffee set up over here with an espresso coffee machine, and that'll be refreshed daily. And mini bar. And if you need something specific, you can ask, and there's also a spot in the app, AMR Collection, where you can request things for the mini bar. This room has a king-size bed. You can also do double beds. They have a tablet that you can request things on and see all sorts of information. And the room has lots of closet space, and in this closet they have robes and slippers. Toilet area, double sinks. The Preferred Club comes with lots of different amenities. And this is open to the room right now, but you can close it if you need to for a little more privacy. Like that. And the shower, rain shower head. And another closet for you over here. They have what they call the secret box. So if you order room service or you order anything and you don't want to be disturbed, you can put the do not disturb on and they will put everything right in the box. And then the safe is right in the drawer. And then I mentioned the do not disturb, and those buttons will be right over by your door. So if you want someone to come in, you would hit the button for green. If you don't want anyone to come in, you would hit the button and it would be red, and that would be indicated outside. So this is the beautiful Preferred Club Ocean View Room. If you are interested in booking, you can send me a quote request on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. And I'd love to get you over here real soon.